Which mid-tower PC case is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Lion Lee Vector V100. First up is the Lion Lee Vector V100, and honestly it caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive airflow setup. Priced at $74.99, it's a solid option if you want to keep your components cool while adding a pop of RGB flair. If you want an eye-catching case that performs well, this is worth a serious look. The V100 comes with 4 pre-installed 120 ARGB PWM fans, which means you can customize your cooling and lighting easily. This is great for gamers who want their setups to look as good as they perform. Plus, it supports GPUs up to 420 and has a dedicated GPU bracket, making it suitable for high-end builds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That kind of space means you won't be limited in your component choices. Now here's a genuine flaw. Some users have pointed out that the fan noise can be a bit noticeable at high RPMs. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for gaming with a headset on, it's probably not going to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer looking for a visually appealing case that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you're after something super quiet and understated. For the price, it offers great value for your investment. Now, if the fan noise in the V100 concerns you, the next product takes a different approach to cooling and overall design. Product number 2, Corsair 4000 DRS. Next up is the Corsair 4000 DRS, which retails for $89.99. This case really stands out with its frame modular design, allowing you to customize it in ways that most cases won't let you. If you want a case that adapts to your needs, this one deserves your attention. The 4000D comes with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans and supports additional fan configurations. This means you can optimize airflow specifically for your hardware, which is crucial for high-performance setups. The unique InfiniRail fan mounting allows you to position fans exactly where you need them. Here's why this matters. Targeted airflow can prevent overheating and improve the longevity of your components. However, some users have mentioned the price as a bit high for the features offered. But here's my perspective. The customization options make it worth the investment, especially for gamers who plan to upgrade their setups over time. This is perfect for you if you love tinkering with your build and want flexibility. Skip this case if you prefer a simple, no-frills design. Overall, it's a strong contender for the value it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for high airflow needs. Product number 3, NZXT H5 Flow. Now let's talk about the NZXT H5 Flow, priced at $74.99. Right off the bat, its high airflow design grabbed my attention. If you're looking for a case that keeps your components cool without breaking the bank, you should definitely consider this one. The H5 Flow features exceptional ventilation with its ultrafine mesh on the top, front, and sides, which allows air to flow freely while filtering out dust. This means your components stay cooler, which is critical for performance during gaming sessions. It also supports large radiators, accommodating up to a 360mm radiator in front for those who want to invest in liquid cooling. Here's why this matters. Better cooling can lead to better performance and longevity of your components. However, a downside some users have mentioned is that the cable management can be a bit tricky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it isn't a deal breaker, especially if you appreciate a clean setup. This is perfect for you if you prioritize airflow and cooling performance. Skip it if you're a novice and want something super easy to manage right out of the box. It's a great value for those focused on performance. Now, if the H5's cable management sounds daunting, the next product might be a better fit for you. Product number 4, Fractal Design North. Next is the Fractal Design North, which comes in at $154.99. What caught my attention here is the stunning blend of wood and glass that elevates the aesthetics of any gaming setup. If you're looking for a case that's as much about style as it is about function, this could be your pick. This means you won't just have a pretty case, you'll also benefit from natural ventilation. Plus, it comes with two 140 PWM fans, ensuring solid cooling performance right out of the box. Here's why this matters. Good airflow means your components will run cooler, enhancing their lifespan. However, some buyers have noted that the price may be a bit steep for the features offered. But I'd argue that the unique design and build quality justify the cost for those who value aesthetics as much as performance. This is perfect for you if you want a case that stands out in terms of beauty and performance. Skip this one if you're looking for budget-friendly options. It's an investment for those who appreciate quality. Now, if the premium price of the North made you hesitate, the next case is much more budget-friendly while still offering great features. Product number 5, MUSETEX-K2. Finally, we have the MUSETEX-K2 priced at $89.99. This case is all about visual flair, featuring 7 pre-installed RGB fans that can dazzle anyone who lays eyes on it. If you want a case that shows off your hardware while keeping it cool, this is worth considering. The panoramic dual-tempered glass design offers a great view of your components, and the 7 fans ensure optimal airflow. Here's why this matters. Keeping your hardware cool not only improves performance but also showcases your build beautifully. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit cluttered inside, especially with all the fans. But honestly, if you enjoy having a lot of cooling and showcasing your setup, this should not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love RGB lighting and want a case that turns heads. Skip this model if you prefer something more minimalistic. For the price, it delivers great value with all the included features. So to wrap it all up, the Lion Lee Vector V100 is excellent for aesthetics and performance. The Corsair 4000D RS offers customization and airflow. The NZXT H5 Flow excels in cooling. The Fractal Design North is a stylish option, and the MUSETEX-K2 combines impressive RGB with functionality. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what fits your specific needs best.